Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll be showing you a quick and easy way to add this PC icon to your desktop on Windows. Sometimes, when you set up or update your Windows system, this PC icon might not show up on your desktop. But don't worry, it's really easy to bring it back. This can be super helpful for quick access to your computer's files and settings. Let's jump right into it. First, let's start by right-clicking anywhere on the empty space of your desktop. A menu will appear. Click on Personalize. Now that we're in the personalization window, you'll see several options on the left-hand side. Click on Themes. Scroll down to the bottom, and under the section Related Settings, you'll see Desktop Icon Settings. Go ahead and click that. In this window, you can manage what icons show up on your desktop. To bring back this PC icon, check the box next to Computer and click Apply, followed by OK. Now, if you look at your desktop, you'll see that this PC icon is right there, ready for use. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've added this PC icon back to your desktop. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.